presented by Buenas. And Macaloni starts alongside. Siyempre,
Titira daw siya ng titira.
Manzo got hit by Bayo, but JB Bayo, a very forceful drive out. And Hernandez is down.
He is.
Doon para makapaglaro sila Vince Magbuhos at Jay Collado. Sabi nga ni Chris Picton, importante ay magtiwala sila sa coach's decision when they don't suit up for a game.
Oo. Ganda dun. Ganda ng partnership nila ni Robbie Manalang.
Correct.
And Ryan Costello continues. Okay, and that's a miss. Rebound ni Costello. Ahead to Calo.
What a pass.
Pwesto si JB
What a
Bayo.
pass. What a pass.
Bagsak si Montero. Libre si Calo. Corner 3. Pasok yan. Para kay Eman.
Corner 3 plus the smile.
Montero gets it back. The extra pass to Dada.
Nice move.
Osicos, mid-range J. Yes. Osicos gets the rebound. Rear stop for the Cuyas. Dada. 3. Yes, sir.
He's a player.
Oh, my. Oh, my. Cosejo lays it in for 2.
A terrific.
Come on. Masyado mo nang kilala mga player dito. Alam ko nagko-cover ka since the first season.
Right,
okay.
right, yeah. He knows it. At seguridad.
Yes.
Yung seguridad, that was at the height of the pandemic. At the height. Correct me if I'm wrong, as you see, at 3-point, bago pumasok, hindi na sila pinapasok kasi nga may nagpositibo.
Oo.
Yun.
And Jabel gets back-to-back threes.
Serrano, their top 2 players are still there. Serrano and Baltasar. But they changed the composition of their team.
Oo.
It's like 10
Liado. Nakapwesto
Robles.
si Robles.
Good cut.
Magliano, one-hander off the glass and in. Colliar swings it over to Collado for 3. No. And Magliano, the kick out to Colliar. The extra pass to MJ Ayay. 3-pointer. Pasok yan. Colliar. Nakatawid na. Collado.
Pass.
Nice cut. Galing kay Billy Robles. Taken away by Karandang.
Too unselfish.
Should have taken that shot. Colliar with a pickpocket and a finish. Out. Ayay, he gets it back. Corner 3. Wala. Magbuhos with the offensive rebound and the basket. Long rebound. Long look pass. Oh! Beautiful basketball. Galing sa Nueva Ecija. Ibanez spins. Goes to Karandang. 3-ball. Yes, sir. Ang lamang ng Nueva Ecija. Magbuhos. Costello is open. Ryan puts it in for 3. And they were making a run in the third quarter, and the place was rocking even from the outside. Tanggap ng bola dito. 3 yan para kay Clark. Wala.
Tinira niya.
Bayo inside, and he puts it in for 2.
Probably was open to his left.
Crossover. Hernandez. Dada is open. 3. Yes. Celis. Binigay kay Big Boy. Against Clark Derigue. Big Boy forcing his way in. 6 seconds remaining. Dada. The fadeaway. Yes.
Nice.
What a move.
Kanyang defender, naiiwanan niya pa rin kahit papano.
Ang iksingan ng crossover na yun. And Hernandez puts it in for 2.
Care of the pass of Dada. Hernandez right now with 9 points.
46-36.
Backdoor.
Ayay with a reverse.
Siya.
Celis. Karandang. Fires the 3 and makes the 3. Big Boy. In and out on the jumper. Robles. Yes.
That's what I meant. What do you do with Sean Umali, who just scored 20 points in the last game? Because there are going on those names that I just mentioned as Bulacan hits a 3, and this is only a 7-point game. No, make that 9. Macaloni, bilis ng sagot.
Oo, binabantayan ni Andre Dada. Shoots over him, in and out. Bayo
What
with
a
a rebound.
Oh my. Remember the first...
Interesting.
Mas alam pa niya kaysa sa atin?
Oo. Hindi, may na-release na yata.
Right.
To the teams.
Yep.
Oh, naagaw ni Colliar.
Specialty.
JC Colliar lays it in. Jumper, won't go. Ayay gets the rebound. Takbo ang Nueva Ecija.
Touch
Colliar.
pass.
Nice pass
There you
to
go.
Macaloni.
Yeah.
Tosejo, baba kay Macaloni. Macaloni spins. One-hander drops. Celis, jumper, short. Leak out by JB Bayo. And JB Bayo will score. Now with Ibanez. We go to Lawrence Malyari, who's hardly seen action in this ball game. Lawrence Malyari puts it in for two. Oh, Malyari against Maguliano. On the kick out, Ibanez, Osicos. Yes.
This is the second time for me to watch him live. I'm really impressed of how steady of a point guard he is.
Nabatayan ni Costello. Malyari. Puts the ball on the deck. Malyari with a pretty move. Costello was not expecting the pass. Labas muna siya. Ryan, dire-derecho. Costello puts it in. It's extended a bit. Never thought about it. Binigay kay Ibanez using the shot fake and the jumper.
That's right there. And a better looking jumper. One dribble pull up by Ibanez. But Evan Calo. Yun.
In now dribble and the spin. And clearly got it off in time. More than enough time. Montero gives it up to Osicos. Down low, Montero puts it in. Teams Manzo. Dada has it. Spins.
Pulido gumalaw eh.
Layup is
Pulido
good.
talaga gumalaw. Inaantay ko yung isa eh.
Big block by Maguliano. Binawian. Here he is.
Ganda.
Like a freight train.
Right.
5 seconds of shot clock. Mocon makes his move. Step back three, air ball. Robles just in time para kay Robles.
Na makashoot na itong si Eman Calo.
Jay Collado Magbuhos with a rebound and the finish from Vince Magbuhos.
1 point lang ang pinag-uusapan natin, Mr.
Ito
Tubas.
na. Yes! Eman Calo, 14 points in the ballgame, 2 rebounds and 2 assists. Arenas layup, yes.
Nice. Now, for whatever reason, because he knows as a former player, it's not every day that a player.
Last 2 minutes is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL, the first and original online. Arenas from the corner, yes. He's like a microwave.
Kasi libre din si Magbuhos, passed up on the shot.
Okay.
Nawala nga naman yung assist ni Colliar.
Okay.
Okay. Who's next?
I have one, and Larry Rodriguez is at 968. And Vince Magbuhos at time 105 to 64. Franco Viernes gets the basket. Jay Collado, nice to see him back in action for Nueva Ecija. Gets the rebound and he'll dribble out the clock. And it's another victory para dito sa Nueva Ecija Rice Vanguards.